Isaac has 78K plus subscribers in just 4 videos. Profile Multiplier has 11K plus subscribers in just 5 videos. Amplify Views has 15K plus subscribers in just 11 videos. Bro, what's happening? And now, wait and see. Isaac's first video has 3.6 lakh views, 1.7 lakh, and in the recent video, it has more than 2 lakh views. Profit Multiplier's first video has 4.6 lakh views, and in one video, it has more than 1 lakh views, and in the second video of Amplify Views, it has more than 20K views. Are these 3 geniuses, or is it just their luck? I analyzed these 3 channels well, and I saw something that is common in these 3 channels. Or you can say, all 3 channels are using their videos, because of which I think they are getting so many views. After analyzing, I got 4 points, but the third point is the most important, and don't miss the last point at all. Point number 1, use of non-entity. If you are a subscriber of Ali Abdaal or Make Money Matt, then you must already know this point, that how you get benefit by using the name of a big YouTuber smartly. Similarly, these 3 use the name of Smartly Ali Abdaal or Make Money Matt on their videos. Point number 2, perfect intro. Hook first. Watch these 2 clips in both the clips.
And I think this is a very interesting phenomenon to study. It's interesting because on the surface, YouTube seems to be a dream job. There's a lot of people who aspire to be YouTubers, who aspire to riches and fame and flexibility, and you can work from wherever you want. But
step by step in 2024 with all of the latest optimization techniques to make sure that your channel is optimized to get as many views as you possibly can, including a lot of the key optimization features that most people miss.
The question was asked on the intro, or talked about the relatable problem because of which the audience got hooked on the intro. But wait, will it work only with the intro hook? Actually, no. A perfect video editing is also required with a perfect intro, which is our third point. You must be thinking that, why did? I write mobile in the bracket. Actually, everything is in this. Let me explain you with a photo. When we watch a PC editing video, we like it, but we can't relate more to it, because most of the beginner creators don't have a PC. But when you find out that these 3 do their dangerous video editing from mobile, then the audience relates a lot. And if you go to their comment section, then you will get to see 70–80% comments saying that video editing is great. After a perfect intro and a perfect editing, an important thing happens, which we can't miss at all. Point number 4, catchy thumbnail. At this point, I observed 2 things. Number 1, triggered emotion. Look at these 3 thumbnails. One thing is common among these 3, that they are playing with the emotions of the audience. I have used mobile ward in all 3 thumbnails, which I have told in the third point, which triggers emotion. Number 2, less elements. Look at any of their thumbnails. There will not be more than 3 or 4 words in their thumbnails, and there will be 1 or 2 elements which support the written text, with which the audience gets a solid reason to click on their video. How did you like the video? Tell me in the comment, and if you have any suggestion, tell me that too.